today we're going to show you how to take this to this without reupholstering. Got to use some brake cleaner. I'm going to take the last of the grease and crud off of this seat, and then we're going to paint it. See, there's still some booge in there. We're not trying to make them new. We're just trying to make it presentable for the new owner. Whoever buys this boat, if I don't keep it. I'm doing a lot of work here. Hopefully we can get someone happy with this boat. Now, these particular seats, they have 3 colors. Red, white, and this off burgundy color. So it's tricky and a lot of masking when I get to the white and the final pinstriping, or not pinstriping. When I get to the final piping, I gotta wrap it and it's time consuming. However, the results are quite good. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is the paint we're using, Duplicolor vinyl and fabric paint. It'll last for years and brings it back like new. Can't complain about it in any way. Excellent stuff. Probably going to need a few cans. We've got a bow rider to do. First coat on the back red half. 2 more will follow.